New with LUSAS version 21, the LUSAS Tekla plugin allows you to export your Tekla Structures analysis model to LUSAS, where you can run a default linear static analysis and, optionally, extend the model to carry out design checks or to include traffic loading, dynamics, nonlinear or other advanced options. This Tekla Structures file includes analysis models which define beams, panels, loading and boundary conditions. The LUSAS plugin has been installed. When the export button is clicked, the export options appear. If you have LUSAS installed, you can choose the first option to bake the model to LUSAS and open it straight away. If you don't, you might choose to export the model to a file which you can pass to a colleague who is a LUSAS user. You can choose the units that you want to use in LUSAS. When you click OK, the Export Messages dialog is shown. You can explore here to check that the various analysis components are ready to be exported and if anything will be omitted in the export. Here we can see that 47 analysis bars, 6 analysis areas or panels, and 2 analysis node links were exported, but in this case some loading and profile properties were not converted. Where the messages relate to specific elements, these can be selected using a right click, and any necessary changes can be made in Tekla before completing the export to LUSAS. In this case, the definition of the beam profile is updated. If you made changes, then clicking Continue will refresh the export message dialog. When you're ready to export, clicking the Continue button will either launch LUSAS and construct the model in one seamless operation, or create the file in the location you specified in the export dialog. In this example, the Tekla bars have been converted to LUSAS line features with suitable thick beam mesh attributes, geometric properties and material properties. The geometric attributes are usually based on the LUSAS parametric section calculators, or failing that, the arbitrary section calculator. The Tekla panels have been converted to LUSAS surface features with thick shell elements, a geometric thickness and a material property. Likewise, node links are converted to joint elements and of course supports and loads are converted. The model may be ready to be solved using LUSAS straight away, or you might want to add or modify things in LUSAS before you move on. With or without changes, once solved, the results can be accessed in LUSAS in the usual way. You can find the plugin in the Tekla Warehouse store and download the latest version of LUSAS from our website, lusas.com.